I think that what happened is that last week Macy's reported a quarter where they cut the forecast, and yet the stock rallied too after initially being down 1. That caused a lot of people to say, you know what, it really doesn't matter what the retailers do. It's going to be a good holiday, and gasoline down, employment up, means that, you know what, you can suspend what people think. So lots of stocks ran. When you run into a quarter, whether it be Home Depot, whether it be TJX, which had a mixed statement, suddenly we take it into account the way we didn't when Macy's was stalled. So this stock, Home Depot, is a victim of it running. I don't like situations where what happens is the number comes out and the stock starts going down, so people say it's not that good a quarter. It's a great quarter. It's a great quarter. Is it as great as I expected? Yes. So, but the stock is also anticipated a lot. And you know, when you have a Canaccord piece immediately out within 90 seconds, well, you know, give or take, Home Depot comes out very, very early in the morning. The report says Q3 same-store sales in line with consensus. Operating EPS misses by a penny. No stock that has run up this much can handle a piece of research that says they missed by a penny.
Oh, but you say it's a great quarter. Why?
I think it's a great quarter because, geez, the gross margins expanded, which I care tremendously about. The same-store sales of 5.5 is really rather remarkable. These are lots of people spending on their homes. The stock was in the mid-80s not that long ago. They bought back a lot of stock. I thought that the breach would be far worse. Look at the spending on the breach on Target. Makes me think that, wait a second, Target's run a huge amount going into the quarter. Be very careful.
Yeah. Inventory's running a little bit higher than sales.
I don't know. I mean, what happens if it snows in Buffalo 18 inches?
That's a good point.
Maybe you want to have inventories long.
We are getting a long streak of cold weather.
Yeah,
one of the longest for November ever.
I just think, look, Craig Manier, he's the new CEO. I mean, I think people are kind of, there are a lot of people who I think feel that this thing has run its course. The Macy's downgrade, it's about running its course. And my problem with that is that these stocks historically are still inexpensive if they're doing a good job. I don't think Target's doing that good a job, and I think that stock might be a little expensive. But we saw Nordstrom, we saw Macy's both go up on what was muted outlook. But we kind of just believe that these retailers have been stalled for so long. Let's not take their muted outlook and let's run with a more positive view given gasoline and given employment. And I think these stocks now have run up and they come in a little. That's
okay,
all right.